Hello, it's the GameWorks. Hello, it's the GameWorks D2, and I'm just gonna record some Animal Jam crap.
Enter your birthday and tell us if you are a boy or a girl. Then create a unique username and password for your account. Ask a parent for help if you need to.
You're freaking. What's your username? Flipper Puppy.
But he's a boss. He's better than the guy hiding right now.
Flipper Puppy.
Plus Kirby can fly. No.
Hack me.
Almost there. Enter and confirm your parents' email address.
Why?
Almost there. Enter and confirm your parents' email address.
I'm having trouble.
Emac. Okay, so I guess I'm opening up a PO box. It's stupid right now.
Look at me! I got a ball! I got a Powerball!
Finally, review the Animal Jam Code of Conduct. Never share your personal information with...
I agree. I guess I have to...
What? No! Kirby died? I'm having trouble finally. My Powerball.
Sleepy Pupper. Hack me 1, 2, 3.
No!
I want you guys to hack me.
I saved everyone. What? No! I had it!
Okay, let's load before the 5 minutes of this recording are up.
I didn't let you.
Sometimes I hate when ice cream screen recorder. Animal Jam. I finally got Animal Jam.
There's one. Oh!
Okay, let's full screen this.
Welcome to your new home! My name is Peck, and I'd like to show you around. Follow me!
Okay, let's see.
I have to say the
So how do I following you?
Here in Jama, everyone has their own unique style. Let's start by customizing yours. You can choose and combine lots of different colors. You can change the shape and color of your eyes. And you can create lots of different colorful patterns. Why don't you give it a try? When you are happy with your new look, use the X button in the corner to exit.
I'm very obnoxious.
When you are happy with your new look, use the X button in the corner to exit. Everyone seems to love the new you. How do you feel about it? I know just what you need. Hey, look! Free stuff! Wow! Look at all those gems! How many did you find?
How many did you find? I forgot. I forgot.
Wow! You sure are lucky. You'll find more fun ways to get gems as you explore Jama, along with lots of places to spend them. You'll also find lots of games, adventures, shops, and even parties. I think you're ready to explore on your own. This way, to Jama!
Jama. You mean Jamaica? There. Go on to the entranceway.